Grand Rising, y'all. It is a new day. My nail came off, but it's a new day, honey. So, if this is your first time checking out my YouTube channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Make sure you hit the bell notification so every time I drop a video, you get that baby. So y'all can see I just woke up and I am seriously getting into this raw vegan life. So, I'm giving up sugar. I'm giving up all the carbs, all the rice. Y'all, I feel like eating all that rice, all that sugar has aged me, has gained weight. My face is puffy. I don't like the way it's making me feel. So I have made a conscious decision to make a change, which if something ain't working for you, you have to make a change. So I made me some apple and ginger smoothie this morning. So I'm going to have my smoothie with a little bit of water. I'm going to have my smoothie. And I'm going to show y'all what I'm eating today. As I'm really trying to be the best version of myself. And I know that when I record stuff, when I vlog stuff, y'all hold me accountable. So hold me accountable, okay? So let's get this day started. So y'all, I told y'all that I am doing raw vegan 80-20. And I had a cucumber, no, not cucumber. I had apple and ginger smoothie this morning. So now we're gonna go to a store called BIM, right? And for those who don't know, BIM is a discount store. It's kind of like an Aldi's in the States. You know how they have discount stores, but this is like a discount store that's regulated by the government prices. So we're gonna go get some fruit and veggies to really kick off my raw vegan life, and I'll show y'all the store and I'll show y'all the prices because it's really cheap to eat at those stores. So stay tuned. So this is BIM. It is a government regulated discount store, grocery store, but they have like a lot of different items as well, household items, as you can see. So let's go in. See, they have items like perfume, shampoo. How are you? They have food stuff. So I want y'all to see the prices because the prices here are so much cheaper than the regular stores. Now, none of this stuff, I don't drink or eat a lot of this stuff, but it's just cool to see that you can get items at a discounted price. Diapers, toilet tissue, anything you need, basically. So me and my friends decided this summer we over having big bags and we going raw vegan and getting our lives together. So I went shopping, and if y'all see here, they do not keep the fruits and vegetables in coolers or refrigerators. Everything is laid out room temperature. So I got me some oranges, and then I got these right here. I have no idea what they are. If y'all know what they are, comment below. But I got some, and these, because I've never seen these before. But I'm going to try it and let y'all know. And then I got some pears, and then I got me some seeded watermelon, because I don't know
know about watermelon with no seeds. I've never seen that. So anyway, she's weighing it up for me. So my oranges, 45 tele. And then I got me some cashews. I got 50 tele of cashews because I love my cashews. And my total came out to 160 tele, which is $5. And this was my raw vegan overhaul, y'all.
We're gonna do it anyway. We're gonna do it anyway. We're gonna do it anyway. We're gonna do it anyway.
So I was in the mood for potato salad, but I couldn't find relish. So I had to get some pickles and make it myself. But anyway, and I couldn't find apple cider vinegar, so I got grape vinegar. So here we go, y'all. So I boiled the potatoes, and then I chopped up the onions, and then I made my own relish. It came out, I give it a 60 out of 100. But the star of the show was the mayo. And y'all, I haven't had potato salad in 4 years. Seriously. And it was so good, so good. And here's my old ghetto-ass vegan, southern Sunday dinner type plate. You know what I'm saying?
So I saw this recipe online that was like, try watermelon and coconut water. So I was like, okay, I'm going to try it. But I added some coconut pieces in there as well. And y'all, it was actually really good and really refreshing.